So I use the Maybelline concealer in shade 15 and shade 20. I use both due to just the summer discoloration. I will have different color in my skin pigmentation. So use two brushes, one to pack it all in, and then the bigger brush will also blend it all on my face. I'm not sure what company is the setting powder, but I know it is a shade in banana. Don't really do much to my eyebrows. I mainly just stick it to my natural form. I don't have an end tail, so I just try to give myself better shaped eyebrows. So I don't normally use this stick form of a blush, but I don't know, it's like a cream base, so I just decided to just give it a try. Why not? I mainly just dab it on, and then obviously you would have to set it with a powder. So I use a simple blush powder from e.l.f. I keep using the same one and the same in every video. Now using the Hoola bronzer. It's all gatao. That's it. I need to buy another one, honestly. Just giving myself some color back in my face. So with the liner, I decided to do something a little different. A little different, a lot of different, I don't know. So obviously, starting off at the edge, you give yourself a tail and you give a better form. I just wanted to skip through it and give a better glimpse to the good part. So it was pretty cheap, honestly. It was like $3 for this glitter stick. Please do not judge me for using another glue for my lashes. I know this isn't the correct glue, but this is what I use on my lashes. Do not do what I do, just do as I say. I'm kidding, don't. But onto the hair. I had this braid on overnight. I slept with it, and now I'm just taking off the braids, and this is the result.